Alright guys, today we're doing a review on Kashi Go Lean. This is their toasted berry. It's non-GMO, 9 grams protein, 8 grams fiber, 16 grams of grain. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And that's what's in there, that's French. And of course this is English. Alright. 11 grams of sugar. So, let's do a quick taste test. So that's what the clusters. So I do get a nice aroma of fruit that comes from this. Here is one of the clusters. It's definitely sweet. Tastes like a granola, and that's the fruit that's in there. They aren't the freeze-dried berries, it's just regular dried berries. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. Strikes are pretty good, has a vanilla taste to it.